Some of us choose to drive, although others, it's a necessity. From where we are, where we live, most of us have no choice. To get to where you need to go, you need to drive. Some of us drive for therapy, some of us drive for the thrill. Freedom is only a turn of the key away. It unlocks the door to power, to a whole new world. But for those who have to drive for necessity, we might as well use that time and make it work for us. As we drive down life's road, the lessons we learn are crucial. Everyone just as important as the next. Sometimes you just need to get away. Sometimes we just need to drive, to clear the air, to clear the mind, heart, and soul. For those of us that have to drive long hours every day and are passionate about it, we find a way to make it work for us. Driving hours every day only adds to the list of skill. Learning new techniques, new driving habits, correcting old ones. It's all just one big game. Becoming better, more graceful. Some of us are lucky enough to not be confined by the city. The stoplights, the rules, the limits. Those of us out in the countryside can take advantage of our landscape. Narrow, windy roads, following the rivers, connecting the farmlands and the rural industries around. A trip around the block is often more than 25 kilometers. A trip around the block is often enough to clear your mind and de-stress. Our particular situation is driving from the sticks to the bricks and back again. Because of conditions of our jobs and our daily routines, we have no choice but to travel when the conditions get bad. 5 days a week, 52 weeks a year. From the countryside to the center of the city, we face all kinds of obstacles. The climate will often dictate the outcome of our evening, but we use this as our advantage. An opportunity to learn, to understand your car and how it reacts in any kind of condition that you can put in front of it. We see it all. Dry, dusty conditions, rain, fog, snow, sleet, ice, and slush.
Walking down memory lane.
Any one of these elements can change your ride
Used to be a champion,
in the flash of an eye.
Game. But now I got this bottle wound, self-inflicted. Quit on life so I ain't addicted. Still won't get down on my knees.
Practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes permanent. So we take this opportunity to correct our bad habits and relearn the proper ways.
So long it's been that headlights go dim and
Sometimes you just have to play the cards you're dealt. Go with what you have. Follow your gut. Listen to your instincts. We get to endlessly compare the difference between two very different vehicles. Although they have their similarities, the platform and layout is very different. Different platforms require different disciplines. We can take this time to learn and become better all around, using each other as a crutch, as motivation, as a tool to understand and be able to utilize the platform to its maximum potential. As the seasons change, so do the techniques, until it comes full circle around to springtime again. Every cycle results in more knowledge, better background, and a better understanding of what exactly we're doing. Only time will tell. But when the day comes that we can go somewhere and really test out what we've learned, that'll be the deciding factor. That'll tell all. Was it worth it?
Doing my rounds. I'm a sonic boom at the speed of sound. Ready for clowns trying to take me down. I'm unstoppable now.